In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have an animated Discord wallpaper. If you want to give Discord a more dynamic and personalized appearance, you may have seen videos showing animated backgrounds inside the app. It's important to know that the official version of Discord does not currently support animated wallpapers behind the main interface. However, I'll explain what you can customize using Discord's built-in settings and what the current limitations are, so you know exactly what to expect. To get started, open Discord on your computer or in your web browser and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main Discord screen, click the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open User Settings. Inside the Settings menu, select the Appearance section. This is where Discord stores its official customization options for the app's visual style. Depending on your version of Discord, you'll be able to choose between available themes, adjust accent colors if they're supported, and customize other appearance settings that affect the overall look of the interface. Take a few moments to explore these options and select the combination that best matches your personal style. Any changes you make are applied immediately, allowing you to preview the appearance before leaving the settings page. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can switch to another theme or adjust the available options until you find the look you prefer. You may come across videos or articles that show fully animated wallpapers inside Discord. In most cases, those examples rely on unofficial modifications or third-party software rather than features provided by Discord itself. While these tools may change the appearance of the application, they are not officially supported and could introduce compatibility issues or other account safety concerns. If your goal is to keep your Discord account secure and use features that are fully supported, it's best to stick with the customization options available directly within Discord. At this time, the official app doesn't include a setting that allows you to add an animated wallpaper behind your chats or server list. Discord continues to update its interface over time, so additional appearance features may become available in future releases. Until then, the built-in themes and appearance settings are the recommended way to personalize the application while maintaining a safe and reliable experience. So to recap, open Discord, head to User Settings, select Appearance, and customize the available themes and visual options to create a style that suits you. While the official version doesn't currently support animated wallpapers, using the built-in customization features gives you the best supported way to personalize Discord. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,